Welcome back to Solar Ryobi. My name is Logan, and today we're talking about the Ryobi half-inch drive deep impact socket sets, both the standard and the metric. Let's get into it. So guys, if you're following along with the channel, you've seen that we just did a video opening these, but we've actually had them for over a year now. So we want to give you a little bit of our experience, what we think, what we like, and what we don't like. So like I said, we've had them for over a year, and I think the best way to tell you what we think about them is the fact that we have a new set. We actually have two complete sets of the standard and the metric for what we do, for work, in the truck, and for play. Before I get into some of the things that we like and don't like about these, let's go ahead and talk about some of the features of these sockets. First off, each set comes with 11 sockets ranging from 7/16 to 1 1/16 on the standard, and from 13 millimeter all the way up to 24 millimeter on the metric. Each socket is 3 inches tall with Ryobi lettering on the bottom and the numerical value in big letters somewhere towards the middle, which makes them very easy to identify in the case. There's also numbers across the bottom to identify where they go, but more important than that, the size of the tray is perfect for its specific socket. So as you set a socket that's too big, you'll quickly identify that it shouldn't be in that location and slide it over to its correct location if you're using more than one socket at a time. As far as the case, it's a very thick, hard, heavy green, Ryobi green plastic, and 2 plastic latches. On the back, it features the Ryobi wall link mount so that it can quickly and easily be mounted. And then obviously a big carry handle that's nice and thick right there at the top while it's mounted. And quick identifiers on both sides showing they're 6-point sockets, large markings, and then all of the numerical values listed on the back as well. So you know exactly what you have here, as well as what you see on the inside as far as the markings go. Now let's go through some of the things I really like about these. First and foremost, I do like the black look. I think just aesthetically, the black and the green looks great. The Ryobi lettering, I love the outline. I like the big numbers on them. As far as aesthetically, they're good looking sockets. One of the things I like about the socket is it's got the hole for the quick ball set, so that it locks in place, nice snug feeling. You can feel it in and out. They're also very, very tight tolerances. So on your actual impacts, they are very, very snug. There is no play, virtually no play on your sockets that way. One thing I'd like to see in the future is an adapter. Obviously these don't come with an adapter, so if you're going out to a ratchet style, Ryobi doesn't make the larger ratchet yet, so you are going to have to use some kind of adapter to get down to your ratchets or to your smaller impacts. But as far as this first set, it is really, really good as far as those tolerances. As far as the case itself, seems like an extremely durable case. We have thrown this around, thrown in the back of the truck, in the bed, link boxes, thrown it all over the place, and it is really weathered well. A couple of dings and hits from hammers and other things that have just bounced around with it. The handle is good. It feels very, very durable. Again, these thick sidewalls, almost overbuilt for what it is. It is a fairly heavy case. These are big pieces of metal, solid sockets, so they are heavy. It does need a heavy case, and they definitely went with a good heavy case. Also, love the link on the back. The more link options, the better. It just gets stuff out of your way, up onto the wall or into your carry cases. Awesome, love that. Now on to a few things we don't like or would like to see more of or improved or possibly just another option. These are really good. We would love to see more. And one of those things is possibly a thinner socket wall. The actual wall of the sockets is pretty standard. What I would say is pretty standard. I would love to see a thin walled option. We have run into a couple situations where we're trying to get into a thinner smaller area on a machine or on just in our work environment, and it would be nice to have a thinner wall occasionally. And like I mentioned before, another thing would be a form of adapters. So either the adapter to go to a smaller impact or ratchet, or an adapter to go longer or deeper in, especially when we're taking lugs off or putting lugs on machines. We're often in situations where we switch our tires for tracks, and when doing that, you have to use an extender. So having a kit, another kit that has some extender options and things like that would be awesome, in addition to these already deep sockets. That's pretty much it for the sockets, other than obviously having more of them. I would love to have an additional smaller sockets as well as larger sockets occasionally. There's just different environments that we're going to need smaller or bigger things. This does cover a pretty good gamut of what we use on a day-to-day basis, but having a few more or a bigger set of different option would be really, really cool. But next I want to talk about the case itself. And really I've only got one big complaint about the case, and that is the latches. Now, we haven't had a problem yet, but this plastic, the thin plastic here, is just inevitably going to wear out. There's just no question about it. These little latches are only going to handle so much back and forth, and honestly so much weather. If these are out in the cold too much or out in direct sunlight, I can't imagine these are going to last forever. Definitely not forever, but probably not more than a few seasons or a few uses. So that would be my biggest complaint on the case. Now, we've thought about a couple of options as far as just putting a band around it or a bungee or something to keep them closed once those deteriorate. But for now, I just wish that they had some other way to latch or keep this. They come initially with a little zip tie through here, but obviously you're not going to zip tie it every time you go to close your case and reopen it. So other than just these plastic tabs, and really it's the hinges, they click very nice. You can tell they're locked in, but if and when those plastic tabs go out, that hinge life cannot be forever. So constantly moving, opening and closing these, eventually those are going to wear out. That is going to be a problem because that's how it holds. You can see that it will not stay closed without at least one of those being latched. And if you were to lose both of them, the case is useless without some kind of bungee or something else, which would then interfere with your link system. If you had something wrapped around it, then your link is no longer usable. So that's a big one for me. I wish and hope that they make better cases in the future, possibly even, again, bigger case to accommodate more or different adapters. It could even be a deeper case so that it comes out from the wall deeper. That would be awesome as well, to include more that way. Otherwise, guys, I think that's just about it. Obviously, we've used them so much that we needed multiple sets, and probably will end up getting more sets, especially if they increase the lineup or add other accessories. That would be awesome. Would love to see a smaller set that we can just throw directly onto this smaller impact, especially these ratchets that don't come in the larger 1/2 inch size. It'd be nice to have direct compatible sockets for those. So that'd be cool in the future. But as far as these sockets, the sockets are amazing. Really, really like them. The cases, I think it's a fatal flaw to have that latch, but we're hopeful that it'll last a little while, and hopeful they'll make better cases in the future, better latching systems, or again, at least an option or a hole that's big enough to put in some kind of lock of your own if you wanted later on. But let us know in the comments, guys. What do you guys think of the ratchets? Have you used them? Have you used these impacts? Do you like the Ryobi ratchets? What else do you want to see us use these on? And what tool do you want to see in the future? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Barely seen dirt.